मैं स्टार्ट कर। आई एम मसीरा सर।
श्रद्धा जैन।
सर
श्रद्धा
यस
जैन
सर।
स्टार्ट कीजिए आपका प्रेजेंटेशन, उसके बाद मसीरा, इनका ग्रुप।
ओके
हाँ श्रद्धा, प्रेजेंट कीजिए।
सर, इज दिस विजिबल?
यस।
Okay. Hello everyone. I am Shraddha Jain, and we are here. We have a group of 4 people. We are presenting here our poster, which is on the theme pandemic impact on environment, and the topic is positive impact of COVID-19 lockdown on environment. So screen दिसत आहे?
Everything is fine. You may proceed now.
Okay sir. So firstly, network. Okay sir. सर आवाज येत आहे? हॅलो सर. हॅलो.
आवाज येतोय.
Okay.
स्टार्ट
So,
करून द्या.
what is this? Before 1.5 year, a virus breakout was happened in China, and since then, the whole world is facing this pandemic due to coronavirus or COVID-19 virus, and on the breakout of the coronavirus, many countries has adapted lockdown procedure as this. A virus is spread on the public interaction. Due to the public interaction, that's why lockdown was the only measure which can be take forward until we find a vaccine. And what is the lockdown? Lockdown means we can't go out of our houses. There were strict prohibitions over social gatherings. So before the start of the COVID-19 procedure, the air quality around us had been deprived, very toxic, and the water quality, vegetation, and everything was degrading continuously. And due to the COVID-19 lockdown, everything has come back on the better way. We can say that there is improvement in environmental quality. So this project or this poster represent a brief information about how it impacted the air quality, water quality, wildlife, and vegetation. So the first point is air quality, which is going to described by my friend Vaishnavi.
Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Khande, and my topic is air quality. After the lockdown, positive impact on lockdown on air quality. After the lockdown was put in many countries, there is lesser traveling done by people. Even industries were closed. Due to non-functioning of industries, industrial waste emission has decreased to a large extent. Vehicles are hardly found on the roads, resulting in almost zero emission of greenhouse gases and toxic tiny suspended particles to the environment. Due to lesser demand of power in industries, use of fossil fuels or conventional energy sources have been lowered. Ecosystems are being greatly recovered. In many big cities, the inhabitants are experiencing a clear sky for the first time in their life. The pollution level in tourist spots such as forests, sea beaches, hill areas, etc. also shrinking largely. The pandemic has displayed its contrasting consequences on human civilization. It was caused worldwide panic situation, but created a very positive impact on the world environment. The next point is water quality is explained by my friend Bharti.
Hello friends, my name is Bharti Rathod. As per Vaishnavi said about positive impact of air quality during lockdown, not only the air but the water of our rivers is also becoming clearer. Lockdown had positive impact on water quality, that the air has become cleaner as compared to the pre-lockdown. This is what we have achieved albeit due to the lockdown. Because of there is a restriction in major transportation, human activities and movements. Mainly toxic industrial waste is one of the major polluters of rivers in India. all the factories and manufacturing unit has closed during the lockdown. Hence, due to the lockdown, 40 to 50% improvements on the water quality, such as Ganga, Yamuna rivers, that has improved. Lastly, we will remember that to make positive change to our planet only if all of us are willing to put in the effort can make the world as a better place. We shouldn't necessarily need lockdown to that. So, how is the lockdown beneficial on the wildlife? Is tell about Vaishnav Komal Ingole.
Hello friends, myself Komal Rameshwari Ingole, and we are discuss about effect on wildlife. Already Bharti Rathore says something about water quality. We are discuss on effect on wildlife. So let's start. Humans are now responsible for causing changes in the environment that hurt to animals and plant species. The impact of COVID-19 on global wildlife has been positive or negative. In the lockdown period, due to the restriction of domestic activities, less industrial activities, and less vehicle movements, the air pollution will be decreases. So again, we discuss about the fish. Fish is concerned in lockdown period, fish biomass will increase because restricted human interference of nature. Reports from all over the world are indicating that after the outbreak of COVID-19, environmental conditions including air quality, water quality in the rivers are improving and wildlife is blooming. The next topic effect on vegetation explained my friend Shraddha.
Hello. कोमल.
Yes sir.
हाँ, प्रेजेंटेशन हो गया आपका?
हाँ सर.
ओके, अब कौन प्रेजेंट करने वाला है?
श्रद्धा जैन.
श्रद्धा. ओके, श्रद्धा, यू मे कंक्लूड नाउ. श्रद्धा.
Komal Ingole. Hello.
Yes sir.
Komal Ingole present
हाँ
झाला का?
हो सर माझं झालं.
नेक्स्ट कोण आहे?
श्रद्धा जैन.
श्रद्धाचं झालेलं आहे.
श्रद्धा जैन.
मसीरा. मसीरा,
Shraddha,
आप
mic on कर. Yes sir.
मसीरा, आप प्रेजेंटेशन स्टार्ट कीजिए.
Hello sir. Hello. Hello.
हाँ श्रद्धा.
Hello sir.
बोला.
I'm concluding this whole poster in briefly.
ओके.
So as the air quality and water quality has been better due to the lockdown, as there is no human interference into the nature. That's why the air quality and water quality is becoming better, and that's why vegetation and forest cover is increasing day by day. So what is the how can we conclude all this that due to the lockdown, less human interference, we have gained this all positive impact. But there is one fear: once this lockdown has removed, and the human being will come on its daily track or normal life, all the positive impact will remove or they will disappear. And that's the biggest fear. So it is our responsibility to sustain this positive impact on environment and make our environment better for living. Finally, thank you so much, sir, for giving us the opportunity to present our views on this topic. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, Masira, you can present your poster.
ओके सर, हमारे ग्रुप का हो गया प्रेजेंटेशन. हमारा टॉपिक रह गया था, हम एब्सेंट थे सर तब.
ओके, आपका बाकी है. आप.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, आप प्रेजेंट कीजिए.
ओके, हमारा सर टॉपिक है सर अल्कोहलिज्म ट्रीटमेंट अगेंस्ट कोविड-19.
I am Masira Afrin. Our
Okay.
topic is drawbacks and benefits. Drawbacks: alcohol does not protect against COVID-19. Access should be restricted during lockdown. Most liquid hand sanitizer contain a large amount of ethyl or isopropyl alcohol. Toxicity can even lead to poisoning. When used too frequently, alcohol-based hand sanitizer can wash away our skin, which can cause drying and cracking. And benefits are alcohol-free hand sanitizer is just as effective. The compound wiped out at least 99.9% the virus with 15 seconds. And against COVID-19, alcohol, beer, wine, distilled spirit, or herbal alcohol stimulates immunity and resistance to the virus. Alcohol has effect both short-term and long-term on unless suggested that here is no safe limit. In fact, the risk of damage to our health increase. Sir, thank you. Sir. Hello.
Sir, me.
प्रतीक्षा उंदरे
Yes, sir.
प्लीज शेअर करा स्क्रीन करा
Okay. Sir, दिसत आहे का?
स्क्रीन शेअर करा
केली ना.
तुमचं
Sir, network problem आहे.
तुमच्याकडे आहे का पुस्तक आहे
केलं sir.
प्रेझेंट करा
Sir, केलं नाही पण दिसत नाहीये.
स्टार्ट करून द्या
Okay, sir. Good afternoon. Myself, Pratiksha Amre. Today I am going to present poster presentation. Firstly, okay, my topic name is change in adult alcohol use and consequences during the COVID-19 pandemic in the world. सर्व देशभरामध्ये COVID-19 साथीच्या कालावधीत प्रौढ अल्कोहॉल आणि परिणामातील बदल होत आहे. Introduction. As the at-home order begins in some US states as a mitigation strategy from coronavirus disease 2019 transmission. Nielsen reported as a 54% increase in national sale of alcohol for the week ending March 21, 2020, compared with 1 year before. Online sale increased 262% from 2019. 3 weeks later, the World Health Organization warned that alcohol use during the pandemic may potentially exacerbate health concerns and risk-taking behavior. This study examination individual level change in alcohol use and consequence associated with alcohol use in US adults as well as demographic disparity from before to during COVID-19 pandemic. Means कोरोना व्हायरस रोग 2019 संक्रमणास शमन करण्याचे धोरण म्हणून अमेरिकेच्या काही राज्यांमध्ये स्टे ॲट होम ऑर्डर सुरू होतात. 21 मार्च 2020 रोजी संपलेल्या आठवड्यात अल्कोहोलच्या एक वर्षापूर्वी ऑनलाईन विक्री 2019 पासून 262% वाढली. 3 आठवड्यानंतर जागतिक आरोग्य संघटनेने असा इशारा दिला की साथीचा रोग म्हणजे COVID-19 याच्यामध्ये सर्व देशभर किंवा खंडभर असलेल्या दरम्यान अल्कोहोल वापरणे आरोग्याची चिंता आणि जोखीम घेण्याच्या वर्तनास संभाव्यता वाढवू शकते. या अभ्यासानुसार COVID-19 च्या दरम्यान होणाऱ्या पाण्याच्या वापरामधील वैयक्तिक पातळीवरील बदल आणि अमेरिकन जाहिरातीमधील अल्कोहोल वापरण्याशी संबंधित लोक तसेच लोकसंख्याशास्त्रीय असमानतेचे परीक्षण केले जाते. Next आहे method. In this survey study data were collected use the RAND Corporation American Lifespan ALP and nationally representative probability sample plan of 6,000 partially aged 18 years or more who speak English or Spanish. Data are fitting to match a range of national demographics. Means संरक्षण अभ्यासात रँड कॉर्पोरेशन अमेरिकन लाईफ स्पॅन यांनी राष्ट्रीय प्रतिनिधी संभाषणात 1000 वर्षे किंवा त्याच्यापेक्षा अधिक वयोगटातील इंग्रजी किंवा स्पॅनिश बोलणाऱ्या 6000 सहभाग्यांचे डेटा गोळा केला. डेटा बरोबरीसाठी वजन केलेले राष्ट्रीय लोकसंख्याशास्त्रीय विज्ञानचे पॅन सध्याच्या वर्षाकाठी ऑनलाईन माहिती देऊन संपली जात होती. थँक्यू सर.
नेक्स्ट कोण आहे तुमच्या ग्रुप मधलं? हॅलो
सर मी
मीनाक्षी पवार. मीनाक्षी पवार स्टार्ट करून द्या. स्क्रीन शेअर करा. पोस्टर आणा स्क्रीनवरती. स्टार्ट करून द्या. प्रतीक्षा उंदरे प्रेझेंटेशन मधून बाहेर पडा. मीनाक्षी पवार स्टार्ट करून द्या.
का सर?
हा पोस्टर आलेला आहे. पोस्टर शेअर करा. हा स्टार्ट करून द्या.
सर ते शेअर
स्क्रीन आली होती ना आता.
हो सर पण ते
हा स्टार्ट करून द्या. हा आलेला आहे स्क्रीन वरती आलेला आहे. पोस्टर आलेला आहे. स्टार्ट करून द्या.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself, Meenakshi Niranjan Pawar, BSc third year, and my topic name is Environmental Impact of Food Production. Agriculture, food production and consumption cover from culture to the food production, food consumption. Human health, biodiversity, pollution, energy and climatic improvement in the soil, biological management, on economic benefit upon environmental and food security. First of all, soil organism after and ability to the physical absorb percentage of other kinds of pollution when they reach groundwater or surface area. Second upon food security. Food security is a soil biological management can improve and quantity right through the controlling pests and diseases plant growth. The role of organism in food production, agriculture, dairy industry, in presence of maintain soil biological management can improve the crop of quality, and plant growth. Thank you, sir.
बोलत राहा.
झालं सर, मी स्वतः केलं सर. हो सर.
नेक्स्ट कोण आहे ग्रुप मधला?
सर मी स्वतः केलं सर.
बर बर. आणखी कोणाचं राहिलेलं आहे? आणखी कोण राहिले? अंजली कांबळे झालेलं आहे का?
फर्स्ट इयरची आहे ना.
हा, अंजली कांबळे
फर्स्ट इयरची आहे सर मी.
झालेलं आहे का? बर बर. आता सगळे जवळपास झालेले आहेत प्रेझेंटेशन मधले. आज वर्ल्ड सायन्स डे सेलिब्रेट केला जातो आजच्या दिवशी. त्या निमित्तानं आज जे काही आहे आजचं पोस्टर प्रेझेंटेशनचं ऑनलाईन पोस्टर प्रेझेंटेशन आपलं झालेलं आहे आणि त्या निमित्तानं एक चांगला उपक्रम आपल्याकडून झालेला आहे या ठिकाणी. या निमित्तानं एक मिनिट.
आहेत का सर? सर आपल्यासोबत आहेत डॉक्टर खंडारे सर, गणेश खंडारे, इंग्लिश शिकवतात आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये. तुम्हाला माहिती असेल तर आपल्याला सायन्स डेबद्दल आणि आपलं जे पोस्टर प्रेझेंटेशन कोविडबद्दल जे चालू आहे याच्याबद्दल आपल्याला मार्गदर्शन करतील. सर एक 5 मिनिट घेतील तुमचे, तर सरांना मी फोन देतोय.
So, dear students, really since morning I have been in this reading room and I have experienced wonderful attempts conducted by the Department of Chemistry. And the special the thing here I want to mention is that we are here as a part of the society, and when we are just giving our contribution to the society, so we have one basic contribution, and that contribution is what? The contribution of knowledge. And here when we consider as a student of science, especially student of chemistry, what we need to direct the society by using our inner knowledge. We can say we have to use our IQ, intelligent quotients, not to develop what? Our personality, and as well as the shape of the society. And everyone who are here as a student of YC College, we can see, we can experience, we can observe what is the stumbling block and hurdles we are facing in this modern era, especially when we consider about the physical and mental health of the society, mental health of the family, and mental health of the student. When you see, when you observe, you come to know physically we are completely incompetent, mentally we are becoming incompetent, and to make our more competent capable, science is the only one way. And apart from the science, specially speaking, chemistry becomes or plays very vital role in shaping the character of a student, of a citizen. How? Because when you use your chemistry in your practical life, when you use your knowledge in a practical life, especially of chemistry, you can shape, you can define the way of life. For example, you know a particular product is there in the society, and when you want to use that, you know particular what is there of the product or in the product specifically. So on this occasion of National Science Day, we know that, and we are also celebrating this National Science Day, and since morning your contribution, your participation was very active. I was listening. Some of the students has given very perfectly. They have presented perfectly, and really, on the behalf of, I can say, I as a faculty of this college, I can listen. I could listen actually, and and again I want to mention one thing: the attempt done by you is really praiseworthy, and for you, I want to praise again your attempts. And here, with the permission of our principal, I want to say again the few words. It is you, because of you, we are here. Means, if you want to give more and more knowledge, we are ready to give the more and more knowledge. And if you want to use that knowledge into your practical life, you can be a true scientist. You are actually scientist, and the need is that you have to personally use the knowledge which you have with you for the benefit of you, for the benefit of your family member, and for the benefit of your society. Thank you for taking participation in this wonderful event of Department of Chemistry. Especially, I express again my very great thank to head of the department, Dr. J.R. Chaudhary sir, Dr. Jadhav sir, and Dr. Mati sir. Thank you, students, and hope we will meet very soon in the future for the offline classes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. With this, we can conclude that today's presentation is over. Tomorrow morning, we will send again one more link for the rest of presentation. Thank you.